Yeah. Anyway, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this session of Scoop School. Nice to have you here. Having a look at the comments, and we notice some people are saying, hey, you don't get to the content until like 3 minutes in. Look, if you've got a problem with the intro, talking about the sponsor, bit of jocularity at the end, you can just scroll through 2 or 3 minutes to the front. You don't need to hang around here. In fact, we prefer you don't. Just joking. Hey, I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Dave, Sarah, Talia, Dominic, all the crew at Chocolate Shop Ice Cream. Great ice cream that you can buy in 3-gallon tubs. You can buy it in smaller containers. You can use their branding. You don't have to use their branding. Great ice cream if you want to buy and sell ice cream. ChocolateShopIceCream.com. The link is down below. Blink, blink. Okay. Enough of the seriousness. I guess that person that's scrolled through there is now at the point where they think they're going to talk about content. Well, no, let's wait another 2 minutes. Just jokes. We'll go straight at it. Okay, we're going to talk about ice cream flights. Very popular in the ice cream retail industry. You've got a store, you've got a lot of signature flavors, you've got some traditional flavors, you've got some hook flavors. You want to feature them in a container that kind of gives people the best of both worlds. They're quite profitable as well because you're getting a higher volume of ice cream, smaller portions. I have found in my experience that sushi containers are the best containers to feature flights in. They're takeaway, they are watertight, waterproof, and they're just a great way to present the product. So what I have here is a sushi container that we've used before. The link is actually down in the bio, so you can click on that and go to our affiliate store. You can buy it straight through there. It's not going to cost you any more. But again, the beauty is I've got this that I can fit 4 regular, pretty good scoops of ice cream in, maybe 3.5 ounces. I've got a lid that's nice and clear so it features it well. And it just kind of looks nice and tidy. So let's put some ice cream in it. I have some of our favorites here. Okay, so we're using a nice variety of color and flavor. We've got our mint Oreo, our fudge brownie, our traditional vanilla bean, and our black raspberry cheesecake. This is the Mr. C's signature flavor. So we'll take our sushi container, and basically what we're looking at is around about a 3-ounce scoop, which is a little bit bigger than a golf ball. We'll pop that in on one side. Next one we'll do, well, let's juxtapositionize our colors. Because again, we want it to be as visually impressive as it is flavor impressive. Chocolate goes to the side. Let's do our vanilla as our 3rd scoop in. Again, about a 3-ounce scoop. Drop it in, push it to the side. And finally, our mint Oreo. Beautiful color, sharp flavor. Drop that in there. Now just look how good that is from a presentation standpoint, from a eating standpoint. The customer can either take this back to the table and eat it right there. You could put some of these in a blast freezer and kind of pre-prepare them. Lid goes right on the top. It's a really nice way to present flights. It's a good way because they don't drip. Again, these are food service designed for sushi, so you're not going to get liquid seeping through. I think it's a great way to be able to offer flights. They can take them home. They can eat them in the store. Cost is relatively negligible when it comes to some of the costs that we're using for some of our other containers. So give it a whirl. The link again is down below if you want to use these, or if you just want to search sushi containers, and you might find a design that works better for you. So there you go. Nice little flight of flavors that I'm going to tuck into after we say keep on scooping. Haven't said it yet. Thank you for Dave and all the crew at Chocolate Shop. Let's do one of these. We haven't done one of these for a while. So this is another great video. No, this is another great video. Up here is subscribe, down here is a video, and under the arm, over here to scoopschool.com. Keep on scooping. See you next time.